I'm Nick and thank you for coming back to my channel. I truly appreciate it. Today's video is a November favorites video. I just wanted to share a few things that I have been using religiously and one or two products that I don't really see myself using. I'm going to use it up just because I don't want to waste my money, but I don't see myself purchasing it again. So the first thing, I'm just going to get the stuff that I don't see myself using again or purchasing again, at least not right now. Maybe it kind of needs to still like grow on me. Side note, if you hear my washer and dryer, it's because I'm multitasking. Okay? So the first thing I want to talk about is this vitamin C facial wash by Soap and Glory. I bought this about a month ago. I believe it's almost been a month. And it's just so strong. Like the scent is so strong. Like yes, vitamin C might smell like citrusy and give you that like I'm washing my face with lemons and oranges. Like okay, cool, but like it's almost too strong for me. Like when I'm washing my face, it's like okay, it's like it's almost too strong for me. When I'm washing my face, it's kind of like I could feel myself making that face like, oh my god, I can't wait to rinse this stuff off of my face. It's really strong. The little micro beads that really aren't rough at all, they're pretty gentle. They tend to like linger on my face. Like when I rinse my face off or use a towel, it's like I can see these little pink bubbles still on my face or on my... It's not giving me what I need. Like I don't know, I'm just not really impressed with this. I've seen a lot of videos on it, and at the time of purchasing this, I was out of face moisturizer, cleansers, sunscreen, all of that stuff. So I kind of just was like, let me try something. I had no idea this came in a smaller trial size bottle. I definitely would have purchased that because this was like $12 or $13 for this size. I am going to use this up because I don't want to waste my money. And I also have been using this to wash my face mask. Like if I wear my cotton mask and not like the medical grade ones. This has not been breaking me out. I use detergent and I feel like it irritates my skin even more, and that's why I get those cystic acne marks on the lower part of my face. But using this, I have had not any issues, none. And before I was using baby soap, like the liquid Johnson & Johnson baby soap, but I ran out of it and I never purchased it again. I need like active ingredients for my skin. I need something that's just gonna like kill everything. Like just everything is gonna be, oh looks so cute. I need something that's like gonna take out any and all bacteria on my face, and this just feels like I'm using like a basic gentle cleanser. I don't really need that. I need something that's gonna kill. So this was an okay, I don't know if I'm going to purchase that again. The Sensodyne Pronoun toothpaste. I love this toothpaste. I have tried any and every brand, from Dollar Tree to Walgreens to Walmart, from Target, wherever. Even like charcoal toothpaste that just gets literally anywhere and everywhere. It's splattered on the mirror, on the counter. Like it's just very messy, and it kind of like annoyed me, so I stopped using it. But I have been noticing like not tooth sensitivity unless it's something like really cold, like ice or really ice cold water or ice cream. Just slight sensitivity, but more so the side teeth, like the canine. It was looking a little dingy. It's looking a little dingy. We can't have that. Cannot have that. Can't have the butters. Can't have the buttery teeth. It does not work for me. So I kept looking at the commercial. The commercials kept on playing. So it says if you have loss of enamel, your teeth will look yellow. So I'm like, am I losing enamel because of the things that I've been eating, drinking, or whatever? I know I'm a big tea drinker, like tea over coffee for me. Let me know if you're a tea or coffee person. I love tea, morning, noon, night. Honestly, because the things that we eat are so acidic, it's killing our teeth. And it's making our teeth look yellow, dingy, buttery, whatever. Our teeth not as white as they can be. So intense enamel repair whitening toothpaste, and this is in the Arctic Breeze. I like this one. They have different flavors, but honestly I don't really care about the flavor. is my teeth enamel kind of like repaired? Is it like getting better? I don't really care about the flavor. It doesn't bother me. When I finish using this, my teeth feel so clean, like slick. Okay, thing is, this is about $6 or $7. Not a big deal to me, because $6 or $7 for toothpaste, hundreds or $1,000 to get your teeth fixed. And another skincare product is the Rock Retinol Correction Line Smoothing Night Serum Capsule, Advanced Retinol. I'm getting up in age. And I'm noticing, you know, a couple wrinkles. I know you guys can see those little bags right there. I kind of think they're cute, so I don't know if I want to like feel those, but like these lines right here, I definitely might get some Botox. Like, I'm not against it at all. The smile lines don't bother me at all. I don't care about smile lines. It's underneath, you know, in my forehead. It's smooth, no wrinkles really, but it's just them little crow's feet. It's kind of like throwing me off for a minute. I don't really like that, but I want a nice even neck. I don't want like the lines, like the tree line type of neck. I don't want that. So I tried this, or picked this up again whenever I picked up this vitamin C wash, and the first night I used this, I fell in love. Now this is $13 for 10 capsules. Serum. I feel like it's time for me to add that type of stuff into my skincare routine. I love this stuff. This Rock Retinol. I'm going to try some other stuff from their line. Crazy thing is, my grandma used to use this brand all the time. Next up is a perfume. This is the Nest Dahlia and Vines. I don't know if I've spoke about this before, but the fact that I've been using this literally every day for the past 2 weeks. I might not wear makeup to work, but I smell like something, okay? Dahlia and Vines, or like some body mist, but I've really been reaching for this. I've been carrying this glass bottle around, and I don't typically do that. So again, this is Nest Fragrances. This is the Dahlia and Vines. It smells, it has that floral vibe going on, but it's not overly like, what's the word I'm looking for? Not natural. I can't think of the word. I'm gonna put it right here. This is the word. It's not that. Okay, it's floral, it's soft, it's gentle. It gives off a very sweet, not very sweet, but a sweet, light perfume, almost like Purity, but more floral. Floral, but it's not flower mania. $70. This is the 50 milliliters, 1.7 ounce bottle. I've had this for about 2 years, and now I'm just reaching the end. I got a little bit left. Another skincare product is the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Lotion. Like I said, I was out of everything, makeup, lotion, everything. So I went to, I want to say, Wally World, picked this up. Didn't have high hopes for this, honestly, because I'm kind of getting out of like the scented lotions and more into like oils or lotions or creams that have no scent, because I kind of feel like it doesn't irritate my skin, but it doesn't hydrate my skin enough. I'm going to talk about this more in depth in another video coming up, but this smells like shower fresh. If you've had like Degrees shower fresh deodorant, it kind of reminds me of this. It's a very, very light, fresh scent, and also the scent kind of dies down, which I'm cool with. Get out the shower and I like towel dry myself, but not like completely dry. I'm still a little damp, and then apply this or my sweet almond oil. Skin feels like silk. I really like this product. I want to say this was about $11 to $13 at Walmart for the 16-ounce bottle. My skin feels really good so far. I like this. Yeah. This is the Terminator 10 Acne Spot Treatment. I have been having that cystic acne, like I said, from the friction of the mask. And it's always right here. And it leaves a dark mark every single time. But when it's really inflamed, I wash my face, cleanse my face, tone my face, put a moisturizer on, and then I go in with this spot treatment. You literally just put this on your spots. Now my forehead breaks out. I don't know why. I guess it's stress acne really bad. I just smear this all over my forehead. Now the first time I tried this, I think I'm sensitive like around my eye area like most people. This area of my eye, like this little crease, was itching so bad. So bad. Moisturizer, then this. This product, like when it feels suffocated, it just goes haywire on the skin and it kind of causes a small reaction. So moisturize your skin, then go in with this. And like I said, I just spot treat it, or if I have like a cluster like on my forehead, like sometimes I do, I'll just smear this all over. That hormonal acne, when it's that time of the month, all over my chin. I'm not spot treating, just all over the chin. Now when it comes to the spots on my cheeks and whatnot, I just go ahead and spot treat that and then call it a day. It does dry down pretty fast, so I haven't had any issues with this product except that small slight irritation. This is 10% benzoyl peroxide. I want to say this was $7 at you can find this at Walmart, Target, CVS, and I don't think I've seen it at Walgreens. So the last product is a lip balm. This is the Jack Black Intensive Care lip balm. I used to buy these all the time in like the early 2010s. I became addicted to it because it's so good, so hydrating. And then I just stopped using it. And I think it's because EOS bombs had came out. The lemon, this lemon and shea butter, forget any other brand, forget any other flavor, fragrance, or whatever you want to call it. This lemon and shea butter, when I tell you, the first time I tried it, I literally fell in love, because the first one that I had years and years ago, it was no scent, it was no flavor. This lemon and shea butter though, and it has SPF 25 in it. Lips hydrated on 1,000, and the lemon scent, it just do something. It make me happy. You can get these off of Amazon for like $8 a piece, or they have the 3 for like 23 or something like that, and they have several flavors or scents, whatever you want to call it. Balm. Let me know if you guys want a second my favorite clear lip glosses, because I think I'm going to do that soon, and my favorite chapsticks lip balms. Let me know if you're interested in that. I found Panoxyl in Target. It was $11 to $12 for the 5.5 ounce bottle. This is benzoyl peroxide 10% as well. So both of these products is 10%. Do you see how clear my skin looks? Even though I have makeup on. Do you see any blemish? This, and go to sleep. Look at your girl's skin. If I have any pimple or small blemish, it's probably because my hair keeps falling on my face, and that's creating oil and probably bacteria. That's why I hate when my hair falls in my face, but it just naturally does that. But whatever. Do you see anything? Because there's nothing there. Panoxyl, $10 or $11. This product is so good. I love it so much. It deep cleans. Like Noxzema, how I feel about this was how I felt about Noxzema like 3 or 4 years ago. Some like benzoyl peroxide 10%. Some of these other products is only 2% benzoyl peroxide and they want $15, $16 for this. This was $11 for 10%. So it just made sense. If I'm trying to get rid of acne and get rid of acne effectively, why would I buy a product that only has a low percentage of benzoyl peroxide, which is good for acne, oily skin, whatever, when I can get this $10, $11 product that got 10% and just knock out this acne? It just makes sense. So yeah, skincare routine coming up really soon. Now, I'm gonna say that's the end of this video because I have started to ramble. We at 26 minutes. So thank you for watching this video. If there are any suggestions, product suggestions, recommendations, all of that stuff, leave me a comment down below. I will try to get to your comment. Thank you for watching. I'm sorry I'm rambling. Sorry this was kind of long, but you love me, so it's okay. And I'll see you guys in the next video.